What's up, people? In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 403 forbidden error, especially when it happens to be on the back end of the website. That's on the when you're trying to access your dashboard. You can see from the front end is working fine. It's actually working fine. So what I'm going to do is, maybe where I'm getting the error is mostly at the front. That's the dashboard of the website. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to fix this particular error. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So the first thing we are going to do is to first of all come to my wordpress.org. Just come to wordpress.org. Then you are going to, it will bring you here. Then you click on Get WordPress. Once you click on Get WordPress, it's going to open up. Then you download the latest version of, then you just click on download WordPress. So once you click on it, it's going to download WordPress. I'm not going to download it because I already have a copy of it downloaded already. So what I'm going to now do is to just open Get One. This is the one I downloaded. So once you've downloaded it, so just ignore I'm using the old version of it. So I'm actually using the old version, but it will work. Same thing, it's going to work where even though you're using the latest version you just downloaded. I had downloaded a couple of months back. So now you can see once you've done that, you are going to just right click on it and extract this particular plugin. Just extract it. You extract it. So this is the extracted version I have. So once you extract it, you are going to have, if you notice on this one, if I should open it, I'm going to have my WP content folder is here and also my WP config sample folder. So what you are going to do, ensure you delete, once you extract it, you delete this WP content folder and also delete the WP config sample folder. So those are the two you are going to delete. Just delete those particular two. So you'll be having something like this. You can see on this is what I now have. I've deleted those two folders and I just only have WP admin and also the WP include folders. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is just to come out and zip the whole folder. You can rename it to whatever you want to, but I left it as WordPress. You can zip the folder. You can see this is the zip file. Is going to just what I have here. So now what you are going to now do is to ensure you keep this zip folder. This one is zipped. So you are going to keep this. Now the next thing you are going to do is head over to our cPanel, to our file manager. Just navigate to your file manager of the website. Then you come to your public.html file. Just locate where the folder where the particular website is being stored on. So once you locate the folder, what you're going to now do is to just come to select. You are going to now come to upload. You come to upload and you're going to upload the file you zipped. So you just drag it in here and upload it and allow it to complete. Once it completes, it's going to change to green. I don't want to do that because I've already done it already. I've already uploaded mine already. You can see it's down here. I've already uploaded mine already. So once I'm going to just come here and select all. Once I select all, now I'm going to show you. I'm going to leave this. I will deselect this particular one. I will just hold control while clicking on it. This one is just, it mostly has to do with, it's responsible for your CS and SSL and all those. So I'll just leave this well known. Then I'm going to now delete this particular one I have. I'm going to deselect the WP content. Remember I deleted this. So if you mistakenly delete this WP content, your site, you won't be able to have access to your site files again because this contains all your site files. So you don't need to delete this particular WP content. Then I'm also going to scroll down and deselect the WordPress. This is the folder I actually brought in. Now I'm going to deselect my WP config file. So I'm going to deselect my WP config file. This is very important. This is very important. You don't need to delete this one. You don't need to delete. These are just take note of the two key ones. This one is the one I brought in so I can re-upload this. anytime. So the WP config file and also your WP contents file, those are the two. You can even delete this, but make sure your WP content and your WP config file is still intact. You are not deleting it. So what you're going to now do is to just delete everything. Now I'm going to delete. Let me just move it to trash in case of if I encounter any error, I can easily roll it back. So now I'm going to now come here and extract this particular file, the WordPress file I brought in. I'm going to extract it. You can see it has been extracted, and there is it. Now you can see if there's no WP content file here because I didn't delete the WP content file, so I'm going to now bring it. Now what I'll do now is to select all and move all to my root folder. So I'm going to move all to the root folder. Then you can see we now have them here. This is so everything is now complete now. So now let's just try our website and see if it's going to work out right now. You can see I'm having it like this. So let me scroll, reload and see. Or can see it's telling me to update the database. So I'll just click on update database. So database has been updated successfully. Then click on continue. Let's see if it's going to. Now you can see it's taking me to log into the website. So you can see the error has been fixed. So you can see it's no longer showing me the 403 error again. So what you just do is just log into your website and continue editing your website. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.